People get very uncomfortable if you talk about death and donation because it does mean someone died. They're really willing to talk about being a recipient, and it's wonderful when you hear all the great stories about someone receiving a heart transplant. That part you hear about, but you don't really get an opportunity to hear about what donor families experience, and so it's really important, I think, for people to be able to share that. My name is Leslie Cofield, and I am a donor mom, and I became involved with donation when my son Brian was killed in an accident on February 18th, 1993, and he became a cornea and heart valve donor.
The donor family group, we get together where we have a safe place where we can talk about our experience, bereavement, because sometimes if a person haven't been in our situation, it's hard to talk to people that do not know exactly the experience that we have. We've been pretty successful at touching and reaching other families that have lost their loved ones. My name is Belinda Olive Beltran. I was born and raised in Portland, Oregon. My brother became Oregon's first heart transplant donor.
It's important that when you meet families who are just going through this, you really have that empathy, you have the understanding of what they're going through, that raw grief, and you can just let them talk and be themselves and express everything that they want to. I'm Terry Hagerly from Vancouver, Washington, and my daughter Amy was killed in a car accident in 2000 right after graduating from high school. She was able to donate her heart, her liver, her kidneys, her corneas, and as well as tissue and some bone. Most of us, the loved one was not ill, it was a sudden death. So we're all dealing with sudden losses. And that's a huge thing for the human spirit to carry. But with this group, we're able to reach out and channel our own grief and just be a positive force for the others. It's a great way to just spread the love and let them know that they're not alone.